Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a very quick feature difference between Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra versus Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So if we just look at reviews and see who favored what the most for display, S10 wins it. For camera, again S10 wins it. For performance, S10 again is the winner. For gaming, again, as you can see, but the difference is very low, right? It has a 92 mark and this has a 97 mark. For battery, again S10 Ultra is the winner. And for connectivity, one more time, S10 Ultra is the better option. As you can see, if there is a difference in the features, you'll see that most of these are same, like the type, size, resolution, aspect ratio, refresh rate, which is very much important, the max brightness. The main difference is the screen protection. The S9 has a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 versus the S10, which has a tempered glass. Apart from that, as you can see, everything else is pretty much the same. And again, for design and build, the thickness and weight is the only thing that is the difference. They have the same waterproof as well. And then as you can see, for the screen to body ratio, again same. And for max clock speed, I believe this is the uh, what do you call it, S10 or S9. They didn't put it, that sucks. Oh, this has to be the S9 and this is the S10, as you can tell. And then for benchmark, if we look at the Geekbench 6, again S10 Ultra wins this one. For multi-core, again plus 26%, that is a lot, right? And then same plus 33%. So yeah, I think we have pretty much summed up everything. And if you have the budget and if you want to go for anyone, then I would say the S10 Ultra is the better option. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.